Hello, today we are talking to Mr. Udit Agarwal, who runs a yoga studio, Pratna Yoga Studio in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. We are talking about a common myth that people have where they think that yoga is meant only for people with flexible bodies. So, Udit sir, please tell us, is it true or is it a myth?
Hello friends, Namaste. I am Udit Agarwal and I run a yoga studio, Pratna Yoga Studio in Jaipur. Thanks Maitre. You have asked me a very important and relevant question about yoga asanas. I think this is the greatest of the myths out of so many other myths about yoga asanas. When people talk to me over the phone or face to face, first question of most of the people is how can I do asanas? My body is not flexible, or they will conclude themselves and say I can't do asanas since my body is stiff. Can you teach me some pranayam or meditation? Now, here what their problem is that they are not flexible in their mind. Let me repeat this statement. They are not flexible in their mind because they have already decided what they want to do and what they don't want to do without even exploring the different possibilities and without knowing the importance of a healthy body for doing pranayam and meditation correctly. I always insist that first your body should be healthy to make your mind to be calm, and then only you can practice pranayam and meditation properly. Yoga asanas are meant for everyone. I insist everyone. That is old, young, middle aged, healthy, diseased, skinny, fatty, male, female, flexible, stiff, literally everyone, without being biased to anything. In fact, genuinely speaking, flexible people make more mistakes than stiff people because flexible people try to achieve the final pose quickly without being careful about the internal actions to be applied in going to an asana. For example, if I tell them to extend forward, they will bend forward fast without taking care of the spine, which should be extended well, creating space for every vertebra of the spine so that spine becomes healthy. Instead of that, they will make the spine convex, that is crooked, and so on. So, finally, friends, my advice and my humble request to every one of you is that please stop asking for flexibility of the body. Rather, you should ask whether your mind is flexible enough to enter the infinity of the unexplored vast space of practicing yoga asanas and feel sthir sukham asana. Thank you very much for listening to me. Keep practicing.
Thank you, Udit sir, for your wise words.